Alright, here's a little bonus clip. Since I didn't plan on eating the rest of those Peeps, I'm gonna put them in the microwave. So, let's see what happens when you put 15 Peeps in a plate on a microwave. 1, 2, 3, go. Huh. I was expecting something a little bit more than that. I'm gonna get close. Come on. Focus on that. There you go. That looks a little better. Come on. This is not as dramatic as I was hoping. Oh, there they go. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. Oh, Peeps, you getting fat. Oh my God. How big they gonna get? I think they're gonna get to a certain size and just melt to nothingness. Oh my goodness! They're getting so big! I think that Peep's gonna fall off the plate. Holy puffy Peeps, Batman. They don't seem to be shrinking at all. I hope they don't explode. I really have no idea what happens at the end of a Peep microwaving. That looks like a big pie. Is there any limit to the Peep growth? Wow. They could go. I think they're gonna start oozing off the plate. Oh my God! Oh my God! I am gonna have a big mess to clean up. I'm pretty sure. This plate is probably ruined. Oh my God. Taking over the microwave. How long has it been in there? It's been a little over 2 minutes. Wow. Oh my God. That's what the Peeps felt like after I ate them in my stomach. Well, alright. I think we're at the limit of Peepness. They're probably gonna start burning. I don't want to have to buy a new microwave. But it's like watching... Oh, there they go! Peeps are collapsing! Peep collapse! Oh, man. I want to stop it, but then I don't want to stop it. I just want to see what happens if I keep going. It's starting to smell burnt now, though. Yeah, burnt marshmallows. Alright. We'll call that the limit. So there's what happens. That's what happens when you microwave Peeps for... I put it on 5 minutes, so it's a little over 3 minutes, I think. That's just nasty. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.